is my first tutorial on how to make a spiral lei. I wrote down the material description at the beginning, but with this ribbon size and this design you can choose up to 6 colors. This time I choose pink tones because I like this pink gradation. Of course you can use various colors, and although I used 2 colors of thin ribbon this time, you can use them all or you can use none at all, and I think you can design it in any shape you like. This design looks very complicated and difficult, but in fact, once you learn the tricks, it's simple, easy and fun to make. Okay, let's start by making this thin ribbon. First, cut the tip of the thin ribbon that you cut to 5 inches at an angle like this. Cut the other side in the same way, then apply fray check to the tip. You can leave it like this without applying fray check, but it will dry out and not last long. So, this is a fraying glue called fray check. You can buy it at craft stores or on Amazon. It's a very runny glue. Doing this allows you to create a solid shape and makes them last longer. However, doing this one by one takes a lot of time, so I always do it in a different way. I put them all at once like this and make them dry. Now let's make a spiral lei. First, take 2 strands of thread, fold the burgundy ribbon in half like this, then fold it in half again on the other side to make a house shape. Then pass the needle through the back of the ribbon. Once that's done, take the thin burgundy ribbon and fold it in half. Insert the needle into both folds. After that, go back to the back of the larger ribbon and insert the needle, then fold it over and close it. Next one is a dark pink ribbon. Do the same thing, fold it in half like this. Then fold it the other way again. Once you have the shape of the house, insert the needle from the back. Fold the thin ribbon of the same color in half and insert the needle into both pieces. Then insert the needle into the back of the larger ribbon again and fold it over. The third pink ribbon does not contain any thin ribbons, so just fold it and insert it. Insert the 4th ribbon in the same way. Insert the 5th ribbon in the same way. Insert them in order like this to form a flower shape. Be sure to insert them in the correct order when shaping the flower. Once you have inserted 5 ribbons like this, lower them down while keeping the flower shape. This is very important process. This process is basically repeated. When hanging the flowers like this, be careful to arrange the ribbons of the same color diagonally. This will complete the spiral. You will need to repeat and repeat the process of placing the flowers diagonally. It is a patient process, So take your time and enjoy it. Thank you for watching.